Did you know this palace was built to show the world who's boss? Welcome to Versailles. Versailles Chateau. This is the Palace of Versailles, home of French royalty and one of the most luxurious places on earth. Hall of Mirrors. Over 350 mirrors, gold everywhere, and this is where the Treaty of Versailles was signed. The King and Queen Room. Every room is pure royalty, custom furniture, artwork, and secret doors. Gardens of Versailles. The gardens, 800 hectares of fountains, sculptures, and perfect symmetry. Tips. Best tip. Arrive early, book skip the line tickets, and don't miss the musical fountain show. Would you live here? Follow for more legendary travel spots. See you soon. Bye!